Knowing the different zoom functions within Studio One can help you work quicker and stay in the zone when you're working on a song or editing. So in this video, we're going to take a look at those, and we'll start with the most basic of basics and then move on to cover some zoom shortcut keys that can help you work quicker. All right, so W is going to zoom out in your arrange view, and pressing E is going to zoom in. We also have a slider that's going to do that down in the bottom right hand corner, zooming in to the right and zooming out to the left. Next to that, we actually have a data zoom, which is going to increase the height of our waveform here in this display. Or event. So if I click and raise that up, we can see that this increases the height of that waveform. And this is not going to change the amplitude, but just the visual representation of our waveform. We can also click, hold, and drag in the ruler. Pulling to the left or right is going to change the horizontal position. Moving up and down is going to zoom in or out. We can also use the mouse wheel in the ruler. Shift plus E is going to zoom in vertically. Holding Shift and pressing W is going to zoom out vertically. If we hold Control while moving the mouse wheel, then this is going to allow us to zoom in or out vertically also. At the bottom of our track column, we also have a drop-down menu where we can choose to quickly change the size of all of our tracks at once. And next to that drop-down menu, we have a slider for adjusting vertical zoom. Now, some other useful shortcut keys would be Shift and L, and this is going to zoom to our loop region. I have a loop set up for these two bars, so holding Shift and pressing L, we then zoom horizontally to that loop region. I will click, hold, and drag to zoom back out. If we have a particular event selected, if I click once to select this loop, we can zoom to that selection by pressing Shift and S, and that's going to zoom in both horizontally and vertically. I will zoom back out, and let's change these back. Now, with that same event selected, we can also press Alt and S, and that's just going to zoom in horizontally to that selection. If we hold Alt and Shift, you see we have this magnifying glass. Then we can click and hold on a specific area, and it's going to zoom to that area. If we hold Alt and Shift again and click once, then we return back to the previous state. If we press Alt and Z, this is going to zoom out as much as possible. And we can also return to previous zoom states or redo a zoom state by pressing Alt plus W to return to the previous state. So I'll press Alt and W, and then pressing Alt and E will redo. I'll Alt W. Now keep in mind, you can always see the various zoom functions and their corresponding function keys by clicking on the view menu up above here, and then down at the bottom we have zoom, and you can see the different functions and their shortcut keys to the right there. Now let's move on to the edit window. I will double click on our MIDI part to open it up. And so the zoom controls that we've already covered are going to work here as well. So if we press W, we zoom out. If we press E, we zoom in. Shift and E, we zoom in vertically. And Shift and W, we zoom out vertically. So everything that we've covered, we can apply here within the edit view. And if you're someone who works with a lot of MIDI, one of the, I think, most useful shortcuts that we covered is the Shift and L, which is we have this 2-bar loop. Shift and L will zoom exactly to our loop. So for me, that's going to be incredibly useful. I also wanted to mention, I'm going to switch this to the piano view. And if you notice here at this zoom level, we cannot see the names of these notes, and sometimes it's hard to tell what notes we're actually working with. But if we Shift and E to zoom in vertically, And let's also press E. And this is making me out to be a liar. Shift E. This is supposed to show the note names when we zoom out to a certain point here. Let me come to the browser and bring in a different instrument. I'll bring in the Mai Tai. Let's replace the impact. Okay, so maybe that feature is gone. It used to be that when we went to certain zoom levels, then we would then have the note name pop up on these MIDI events. So I'm not sure why that would have been removed, but apparently it has been. Or maybe it's a bug. All right, so we're pretty much done here. Just know that we can also click, hold, and drag to increase the height of our editor if we'd like a little bit more real estate. And we can also add additional parameter automation lanes by clicking on the plus button here, and we can adjust the zoom, the height of these, and work with different parameters in relation to each other. You can actually just keep on adding these. Clicking on the minus will remove